Hello YouTube, here I am back with another unboxing, and so I want to show you this one. I'm actually going to do two unboxings, but I'm going to start with this one, keep the other one a surprise for a couple minutes. So here you can see it's not much of an unboxing as far as, it tells you exactly what it is. It's a Tascam DR-07 MkII. It actually comes with a 4 gig card now, so obviously it's for audio. It's got all kinds of nice little things. You can see where the microphones here, they can go into an XY pattern or an AB pattern. So they're movable. That's one big reason why I was very interested in this. But let's see if I pop that up. Alright, let's see what we got here. And we got I guess a instruction manual, warranty, stuff like that. Throw that off. Hold this out, and boy, that's it. So I'm going to throw the box back there. Show you this right here. Okay. So here, obviously, is the Tascam. I'll go ahead and pull it out. This little package in there, and it's got some of that plastic that's always hard for me to get to. There we go. And so let me just hold it right here for a second. You can see it. So yeah, there we go. Boy, those move easy. See, there it is out there in an AB pattern. So like if you're doing an interview type thing, you can have one going this way, this one going that way. Of course, if you want XY to pretty much capture everything straight up and right around to here, then that's going to be where you want it to be. Right now, it obviously has no batteries in it. It's really light. It's not too thick. There's a place for the SD card, micro SD, and a USB. Looks like maybe a lanyard right there. And over here we got a hold button. I know that will hold your settings so they don't get changed. And then here's a line out right here. And then I know up here, right in between, if you can see that hopefully, that's a mic external in. So you can have microphones there, and of course you can put headphones on this line out and then hear what's going on with it. So looks like we just popped that door off. Going to take 2 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and, right there's 2 batteries that it comes with, Max L alkaline, and right here is a USB cord. Obviously hook it up to the computer. So very quickly, let's pop these batteries out of here, throw them in here, just like so. Put this cover back on. There we go. And looks like the power and home button is right there. So I just touched it. I got a cat hair on it. Looks like I gotta hold it down. There we go. Yep, gotta hold it down for about a full second. Okay, so it's asking me for the date and the time, so I gotta set this thing up. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set the date and the time. So right here on its screen, let's see. It says speed. That's hard for me to read, I gotta admit. Over here is L and R. It's got hours, minutes, seconds. It says no music file. It's got folders, and there's nothing. Those look blank, so there's no folder set up in it. And so that's about that. I guess very quickly, I'll pop this out. And yep, that's all it is, just USB cord. So apparently the SD card is already in it, so fairly long cord. I'd say maybe 2.5 feet, something like that. Let me go ahead and see if I gotta press it in for about a second. It goes off, so it goes off pretty quickly, comes on pretty quickly. Got no fingernails, trusty screwdriver, does it every time. So, yep, you can see right there, looks like the card. And sure enough, that's it. Let's see what they give you here. Micro SD card, 4 gig class 4. I guess for audio, I guess that will be good enough. So, let's pop this right back in here. And that's good, you know, because when I ordered this, everybody always says they give you a 2 gig, so I got double that, and I can't imagine needing any more than that. So anyway, we'll set that to the side. Let me show you the surprise box that I got. And here it is, right here. Aha. Went ahead and bought the accessory package. So we'll pop into this thing very quickly. And just pull everything out. And that's it, empty box. So we'll set that there. Alright, right here, let's get that open. You see we got some instructions there. And this is a power cord. You see right there, plugs into the wall. Right here's going to be the cable for that. Get this open that quick. And yeah, so they twist it the opposite way, the way they're usually twisted. So anyway, you can see just regular plug in, plugs into the wall. So then that way I can get juice in the wall there. Let me go ahead and open this up. This is famously called the dead cat. And just a hole right there. There's a loop there and a little loop there. You can see that hopefully. And it's fluffy and furry, so that should definitely help with the sound. We'll put that on in a minute. Let's go ahead and go with this. This is just a handle. Feels plastic. Very plastic. Very light. No noise transfers through it, but we'll give it a shot. But you know, this does have a quarter 20 on it. Yeah, right there on the back of it. So we can put this on if we want. Just like so. So you can have I can hold it like that, or hold it like that, obviously, if I wanted it towards my mouth. So, you know, that's, of course, it can work well. Let me do it this way so you can see it set on a table nicely. So again, if you're going to do the interview, you can do like that, and that way that's pretty good. Alright, last but not least, this thing must have been in there. Okay. Sometimes this plastic just beats me, but you can see just a nice little carrying case. So, just a piece of Velcro right there, made in China, like everything else in this country anymore. Velcro that sticks right there. It says Tascam right on it. And other than that, I mean, that's it. So it's just a nice little carrying pad. Put the Tascam in, so that'll be good for that. So let's go ahead and see about popping this dead cat on. For the dead cat to work, you always got to have it in the XY configuration. I do know that. Let's see. Put that over there. Make it nice and snug. And there it is. So hoping that obviously helps with wind. I'm going to try to upgrade my video quality. Let me show you one thing right quick. You'll remember that I bought the AnyBest recorder sometime a little while back, trying to up my audio quality a little bit. Let's look at these things for sheer size here. Let me take that off. Let's see what we've got. What's the difference? Well, you can see that for tallness, not close. And if I put it for width, It'd be about like that. So you can see this is much smaller, and this thing, it did not record true WAV files. They had to be converted, and it did not like that. This thing here will record an MP3 or WAV files that I can use directly, import them straight in and use them immediately without any converting. And so definitely excited about that. So I'm hoping this thing really does exceptionally well, and from everything I've seen and read it does, so we'll find out for myself. And I will retire this little thing already. Okay, there it is. I had the hold button on apparently, so gotta learn this, right? So let's see what we can do about recording. Okay, now you see how that's blinking right there? That means that it's armed. Now if I hit this record again, it will start recording. Testing 1, 2, 3. How does this Tascam DR-07 Mark II sound? Let's give that a try. Okay, so I just hit the record, and you can see it's blinking again. So let me go ahead and hit play. Oh, yeah, I should hit stop, right? Okay, now let's hit play. Well, it's supposed to have a speaker right there, but I'm not hearing anything. Volume is all the way up right there, you can see. So let's try this again. Okay, so my first test is a fail. I don't know why. We'll stop that. Let's see, so here's a menu. Got record setting, play setting, browse, speaker. Speaker is off. There we go. And speaker is on. Now let's see if I can get back. Let's try this. Okay, so apparently it doesn't play through there even though it says speaker. So I'm going to have to look at the manual, I guess, and look at that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and learn how to use this thing, and I'm going to test it out and show you how that goes. And then once all that's over with, then I'll do a good review on it. But just wanted to show you that I'm trying to up my sound here on these videos, because right now I'm just recording straight to the GoPro that's just in its frame, and so I'm hoping this thing will really up my game and get some better quality audio out there. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hopefully you like the video, and comment on it, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Bye now.